The first 2 years of Touch the Art were amazing, but this year we've gone overboard on the immersive and tactile nature of the show.
As a tactile artist myself, I just thought, why wouldn't I involve people with visual impairment or people that need to touch to understand the world around them?
Touch the art.
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 Almost Real Things has always been about community. That is the #1 word that we use when we try to describe what we've done over the past 10 years. Touch the Art is a branch that takes it to an entirely new level. Given the accessibility and the interaction, it takes the community to a next level too by bringing in 50+ collaborators and students from the Texas School for the Blind and Visually Impaired to be part of this process.
Gretchen Bettis is the art teacher for the high school students. She's been wonderful in consulting and leading us along the way.
The Touch the Art program is amazing. Working with Natalie and her artists every year has been such a good experience for the students. The more people they see making things and finding art to be such an important part of their lives, the more they realize this is actually something that people do. And that makes them feel like they can also do it.
We put the Touch the Art Collective together, a group of 5 professional artists in Austin, paired with art classes from the Texas School for the Blind and Visually Impaired, to work on collaborative installations together.
With the students, I made collaborative sculptures, a portrait of each of the students holding a clay piece that they had made, and I interviewed them as well.
We covered instruments with beads in an art style called huichol. It's a traditional Mexican folk art style.
I had all of the kids help me mold little pieces of clay into beads.
A waterfall using styrofoam, beads, wood.
24 individual mosaic pieces, a mosaic of mosaics.
The kids are learning new art skills and how to collaborate. The artists are learning so much from the kids, especially how to be more accessible.
Collaborating was an experience that I don't get a lot.
It was really encouraging seeing how they just jumped in and they were very fearless in creating.
It helped me enjoy the process more and helped me understand that the artistic process can be about community building.
The art class became a very vulnerable space as we were making these pieces that reflect a lot about ourselves and our identity.
Artists get a lot of hang-ups about their work and maybe overcomplicate it, and with them I just saw the joy of making.
People with blindness or low vision are not something to be felt sorry for, but they are empowered. And it's just the idea of us all getting to know each other and realizing we all have similar desires and things that make us human. Touch the Art helps my students do that. Going out into the Austin community with Natalie and Zach and the artists and all of the lovely people at Touch the Art, they realize, wow, it's not just at Texas School for the Blind where we are accepted, it's in the larger community.
I think it's an experience to see what you like doing.
Everyone's looking for more community, more connectedness, and art already has the power to bring people together. So making sure that we are thinking about how can everyone feel welcome? How can I involve people on the ground floor? How can I ask for help to make this more accessible? I think is really important.
Everybody deserves to experience art.
It's important for us within culture and society to reinforce that we want all groups' needs to be accommodated for.
To have that ability to both appreciate art and to create art.
Otherwise you're leaving people out, and I don't think we do that intentionally necessarily, but this experience has really opened up my eyes.
Something that we really value is hearing from everybody's perspective and treating everybody on an equitable stage. Touch the Art and this 3rd iteration really succeeds in providing a space for everybody to speak and everybody to have value. It's more than just a viewer-subject relationship. You're a part of the experience. You're included in the space and it comes alive because you're here. Welcome to Touch the Art. We're so glad you're here. It's a place filled with all different types of mediums, art, activities, and we want you to enjoy all of it.
There's just a few guidelines to follow. The first is please be respectful of the art and use a gentle touch. Don't pick up any of the art unless instructed to do so. All of the art is available for purchase, so if you're interested in taking home a piece, talk to us at the front. The last thing, have fun.
Touch the art. It's okay, touch the art.
Touch the Art.
You can touch the art.
Yeehaw, buddy, come on, touch that art.
We won't yell at you, I swear.